Hello friends, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope my all lovely friends fine and good. May Allah bless you and keep smiling. Always be happy in your life. First of all, thank you for supporting me and welcome my YouTube channel. I want to share crochet article design and I hope you like this video. This video I am sharing crochet dress design. So friends, don't skip the video. Watch the video start to end. You know guys, different people have different choice and they love different color. In this video, I am providing you different color and different design and different unique design. You can make your own crochet dress design. These ideas. All of these designs look great, so find your favorite pattern now. Most crochet dress patterns on the blog use beginner-friendly stitches such as a single crochet or half double crochet stitches. The crochet lovers are always searching for cute and unique ideas and plan to work on get their shine more and more. This colorful pattern used on your party function and everyday pattern you crochet dress looking are so beautiful and unique. So here the sweet idea for creating this dress winning design of by using some custom color shaded your crochet dress design. These crochet dress patterns are having to all fabulous design from easy. A crochet dress can be as simple or elaborate as you want. All dresses have this common design for used. This is the pattern for a beautifully designed this amazing collection for you. If you want more ideas and more crochet patterns, thank you so much guys for watching this video. I hope this video very amazing and helpful for you. So friends, subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon button. You will see new and latest update. Share this video to your friend and family member. So friends, be connected with me and remember, me in your brave. We will meet you in next video. Take care. Allah Hafiz.